model, 2012 FWD Transit 280 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive low-roof van TDCi 100ps body, white, panel van mileage, 134,768 MOT, the 31st of October 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 ps TDCI-A transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is. Rear load area is good. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,875. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.